All right. Let's get into this. What is up, HQZ? What is up, Pure Path? How you doing, Savage? What's up, Rich? Martin, how you doing? Welcome in, everybody. Welcome in. Oh, man, today is a great day. We finally, and I mean finally, broke above $101,134 for Bitcoin. This is a great day. This is the best day. Let's hope we end the week super strong as well. Whew. Orlando, what is up? What is up? How you doing? All right, so looks like Bitcoin well on the way to now our next target sitting at 103,134. If we can possibly break that, 107.33 is our target after, which would make all the sense in the world. A nice bullish 5-0 would be great to see. So currently from where we are sitting, we could see a possible 5.36% upside move. Maybe it's a little less. Anyways, Dr. Techno, what is up? What is up? How you doing? Welcome in, everybody. Welcome in. Bitcoin, great day. The even better part of this day, we are not overbought. Stochastic looks good. Everything's looking good. You heard Turbo going down to that, possible, or FUD. Eric, anything is possible with a meme coin. We will have to check out that particular crypto. So luckily, we are taking all requests. And here we are on this wondrous day. 12/13/24. We're going to mark that as the first request. Turbo. Now, just so everybody understands how these requests work, if I get a request from anybody that is a member, they will supersede your request. We are trying to keep everything in a queue. So, of course, if I start getting, like, for instance, Rich just asked for XRP, we're going to go over XRP first. And if somebody happens to get a tier 2 sub, they could supersede Rich and so on and so forth. We have 3 tiers. We also, if you beat them all out with a dono, then you could get your request up to the front of the line. MSTR in QQQ. You want to check that out? What do you think will happen to BTC? I'm not sure. I think it'll just keep going up until the end of the year, honestly. That's what I think, James. That is what I think. So XRP, Turbo, ADA, Doge. Yeah, James, I think we're just going to be heading up to the end of the year. Also, was that Mastar in QQQ? Is that a request, or are you just asking my thoughts? Genuine curiosity here, because I don't know. Lee, the caption said Turbo is going to 50 cents. Oh, really? Really? Doing great, bro. Thanks. Can you check out Sushi and Solo? Got you covered, Dr. Techno. Got you covered. Sushi. Solo. Alright. Just so you guys know, I'm trying to keep it as fair as possible. Of course, members are going to get priority. That's kind of the benefit of becoming a member. And, I got you on Solo. I understand. And then, of course, we're just going to keep these queues straight this whole time. Let's finish looking at Bitcoin, and then we can go into the requests. Anyways, looking at your daily. Daily looks pretty solid. Your stochastic is in the middle. Literally, in the middle. You are neutral. Could go up, could go down. Your relative strength is in the bullish control zone. Your MACD on the daily looking strong. Looking like we could be in the midst of printing a green candle in the next day or two. So this is all possible. I'm here for the laughs. All right. I got in Turbo 20 million market cap. I'm already ready to exit at 50%. 50%. Just looking for a 2-cent target. Nice. No requests out of HQZ. Love it. Love it. All right, looking at your 4-hour time frame. 4-hour looks pretty good. You're not overbought, but it does look like it wants to consolidate. Looking at your 1-hour time frame, on the 1 hour, it looks like a consolidation's about to happen. So, As long as we can stay above this 101,134, we are sitting pretty and looking for a lot more upside. That's going to be the biggest task for Bitcoin this weekend, is to, first off, not dump. Secondly, just don't drain out the altcoins. Just don't do that. All right. So that's all we're looking for Bitcoin. 15-minute could go up, could go down. You are pretty darn neutral on this relative strength. Your stochastic, though, wants to go up. You are bouncing right off your 50 simple moving average. We will wait and see what happens to Bitcoin. Now, checking out your liquidation map right now, on the daily, we have... Wow, it's a mixed... Oh boy, we do have some liquidation sitting right overhead at $102,729. That is $61 million in shorts that could get liquidated. We have plenty of shorts up ahead, but looks like everyone's going long. Expect some weird volatility this weekend, because that is concerning. Anyways, going down to your weekly time frame, oof. If we come down at 98,600, we could see $94 million in liquidations. Noted, this is the weekly, meaning ending on Sunday. So this could be very interesting to see what the Bulls and the Bears fight about over the weekend. Hopefully it turns into a stalemate. Everybody gets all of their futures or all of their liquidations just muted out, and then they all have to go home crying. That would be great, but we all know that's not going to happen. Checking out your Bitcoin dominance real fast, so we're going to get straight into all the requests. All right, so BTC.D. So checking out the Bitcoin dominance, we are still... it tried coming up today, so that's why some of your altcoins started bleeding out a bit. Started bleeding out a bit, but we are bearishly consolidating, it looks like. So we could see a very good continuation to the downside. Okay, 4 likes, 21 watching. Oh boy, we can hit the likes, guys. That would be amazing. Let's get a like spike. MSTR got included in the QQQ decision was made today. Oh shit, James. I didn't even realize that. That's hyper bullish for Bitcoin, because that means so much more liquidity for Mastar, and all Mastar ever does is buy Bitcoin whenever their stock goes up. It is the infinite money glitch. It's absolutely insane. Eric, you were one of the likes. Awesome. Love it. Thank you so much. Thank you. XRP, good price right now. I was looking at XRP earlier, and it's a fresh breakout. We could be seeing that $3 happen sometime soon. All right, getting to the first request, which is XRP. So we're going to go check it out right now. XRP on the breakout, on the run. On the run. So yeah, looking at XRP, you are right now breaking above your 382. Next target is $2.69 at the bullish 5-0. Oh, yep. O is right. Oh, man. Yep, breaking to the upside. Look at that. Look at that. 15-minute, you are getting into that overbought territory. So be careful here if you're trying to jump into fresh longs. Your stop loss would have to be, sad to say, $2.36. You are currently missing the move. But you have 2 targets right now. Ideally, you're going to hit the 618 or the 786. Could be looking at $2.89 or $3.16. Personally speaking, I don't think that it goes above that 316, but I could be wrong because this is a massive bull flag. So, could be completely wrong. Checking out your 1 hour time frame. 1 hour is not overbought yet. You are just seeing that breakout. Could see a bit of consolidation right after. Don't be alarmed. It's okay. It's okay. But if this was a bull flag, you would be looking at this kind of crazy. Kind of crazy. Because this thing could lead you all the way up to $3.98 pretty much. Testing all-time highs from 2 cycles ago. Could happen. Teema, you want to check out some Teema, Martin? Alright, I got you. Did anyone see Velodrome Finance God candle today? Yeah, HUC, I saw what you posted. I did see that. Teema. Alright, so your 1 hour is looking pretty solid. Let's check out your 4 hour. 4-hour on XRP is ugly. Ugh, I don't like it. You just retook your 50-somewhat moving average. Your stochastic's way too high for my liking. I don't like that one bit. You are in the bullish control zone finally, and you are uptrending on your relative strength. I would love to see a bit of consolidation, reset some indicators, and then keep this party going. So XRP right now looking really good. Fresh breakout after a consolidation. So yeah, surprisingly, what is in play is going up to $3.98. It is possible. We will see what happens. I would much prefer it stop at the 786 at 316 because that would make more sense. But hey, things don't need to make sense. HQZ nearly jizzed. That is wild. That is absolutely wild. Checking out Sushi next. Sushi. Now, Sushi, I did jump into a trade in this one earlier, then I got out, but I'm thinking about getting back in because on your 4-hour time frame, you have fully reset. You have your 50-something moving average sitting right below you. You have this rounded bottom here. This looks absolutely amazing on the 4-hour. Checking out your 1-hour. This is the thing that scared me out because I got out at the top because that's what I did. As soon as we started falling down, I was like, nope, I'm out of here. And now we're waiting. We're waiting to see what happens. Are we going to get a bullish back test? Are we going to stop there? What's going on here? No idea. But your stochastic's trying to reset right now. You're in neutral territory. This is nice to see. That rounded bottom is what I like to see the most. But we do have this downtrending level of resistance. So I'm guessing we're going to see it test that sometime, possibly this weekend, getting up at least 15%. Maybe we wick as high as a 786 at $2.59, and that could be a 16.97% upside swing from where you're sitting right now. Checking out your 15-minute. 15-minute, you are resetting that stochastic very quickly, still underneath the 200 simple moving average, so that's a thing. Ponky. I got you, Jin. What's up? Welcome in. Welcome in. So looking at the 15, we are still getting held down by this 200 simple moving average. Looks like some consolidation's about to happen, but we had another downtrend. We popped out of it. Let's see where Sushi goes. We could see this thing blast off tonight. We could see it just go sideways. Kind of depends, but either way, as long as price stays above 213.4, you are golden for the upside. Golden for the upside. So Sushi's looking pretty gosh darn solid tonight. Looking really good, especially going into the weekend now that Wall Street's away and they can stop suppressing our prices. That would be fantastic. Now we're looking at Solo. Sologenic. We're going to look at it on Gate.io because I don't trust those other, especially Poloniex. I don't trust that crap. So it looks like we did get our breakout and our back test. That's beautiful. You have overhead resistance sitting at 61766. My only thought is that you're going up there. That's my only thought, that you're going straight up there. You're starting to turn your moving averages on the 15 to bullish. This is great to see. Now, going into your 1 hour. 1 hour time frame. Now that you just retook your 200, great. Very tight moving averages. I love this. Ski on the move. Nice. Ski is moving. All right. So if you are trying to trade Solo right now, needless to say, you are thinking the price 45066 is going to be your ultimate support right now as you make a move to the upside. We do have a couple areas in which price could go to based off Fibonacci retracement levels. So let's go ahead and see where that could be. We could be going anywhere between 57332, 6817, 76929. I would really be aiming at that 50% retrace first before thinking about anything else. So Solo could be making a move, 50% upside, just to get that 50% retrace on the uptrend. I would like to see a backtest of support somewhere in there at this 61766. Noted, if you break above it. You need to break above that first before anything else. But we will see. I'm thinking 50% upside though, as long as you stay above this 45066. If you lose 45066, you are most likely to backtest 3744. So keep that in mind. If you are trying to trade this, get that stop loss down here. Below these lows. Get it down there. Oh, nice. I have ski. Nice. Glad you got ski. All right. Next, we're going to check out Turbo. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Before I go to Turbo, let's see what the 4 hour. I don't like that high stochastic on the 4 hour. Your moving averages are ugly. Ugh, gross. Gross. Ski could rip. Nice. Nice. All right. Turbo. Checking out the Turb. Turbo looking interesting. Sitting on a fib retracement level. Huh. This looks interesting. Your 4 hour is reset. You are touching, all but touching, that the 50 simple moving average. Nice. Thanks, man. Looking for solo all-time highs next year. Nice. Dr. Techno, nice. I have no idea what their all-time highs are going to be next year, but that's cool. Turbo is known for rallying on the weekends. So I think whoever said this thing's going to go down to losing a 0 and back to a 1, I think it was FUD. It would be really hard for it to go down there. Because, I mean, you even have a down-sloping level of support here that you broke out of, you backtested, you shot up. What are you going to do? Backtest again? Still not that low. Anyways, looking at the 4 hour. 4 hour looks like it's trying to bottom out while sitting on your 50% retrace on the trend. This is great. You did hit a new all-time high. So to get this backtest is pretty darn awesome. Let's check it out on the daily. Your daily did not get overbought. You do have slight bearish divergence. So be worried about the bearish divergence a lot more than the FUD. That bearish divergence just shows there are less participants at this high than there were at this high. Let's drop down to the 1 hour because we're looking for some weekend scalp trades, baby. Anyways, looking at this objectively, we could see, I believe, a falling channel right now. Maybe it's a wedge. Maybe it's a wedge. Oh, getting a wedge at no. It's an ugly one, but we can argue it's a wedge. So let's see what happens with Turbo here. I don't like these moving averages. They're so jumbled up and ugly looking. I really don't like that. I do like how you're putting in bullish divergence. All right, bullish divergence possible here as we flatten out on a relative strength while price falls. Possible bullish div. Okay. Stochastic's trying to reset. Let's check that 15-minute. Now your 15-minute looks good. You do have bullish divergence on the 15-minute. This is great. Absolutely great to see. So you would expect a breakout coming soon. If this thing breaks out, you do have a measured move based off the wedge. It's not very large, but you're looking at something like a 6.17% upside. Let's just see if it breaks out first. After the breakout, you're going to want to see it hold support. So keep your eyes on Turbo. Right now, it's a wait and see. Where can we look for buy-in? What does that mean? We are looking for a buy-in. You're waiting for the breakout and the back test. Excuse me? I'm confused. So yeah, if I was trying to trade Turbo right now, I would be waiting until it came out, back tested as support, holding this 50 fib trace, and then yes, you could see the 6.7, but I would more or less be looking for a slightly higher high, which could be a 44% move. That's what I would be looking for, considering it would be going into price discovery. So that's my thoughts on if we get the bullish breakout. If we don't get the bullish breakout, we have support sitting right below us, 10482. So yeah, this is a giant. We're going to have to wait and see what happens because it's still in its pattern. The fact that it's in its pattern means you got to wait. Just wait. Figure out where this thing's going. Make sure this is a valid pattern. Something. Thoughts on mobile? for a swing. The current levels look tempting. We'll check it out. Peng moving back up. It was moving up. I saw that. I was like, oh, nice. So yeah, Peng's doing pretty good. Turbo looks great. Turbo looks pretty darn good right here. I just want to see it hold support. That's really all I need. Just hold some support and enjoy the upside. So yeah, we can check out mobile. Mobile. Since I'm done with this, I can just go to it. Mobile. I think I'm misspelling it. Why can't L-E. Yeah, I misspelled it. That's awesome. Mobile. Alright, so you want to check out the mobs. We need at least 50% like ratio. Yes, please, everybody. Hit the likes. Hit the likes. If it's not just for me, do it for the thumbnail. Hit the likes. I'm not going to lie to you guys. That thumbnail brought to you by ChatGPT. I did it. I used ChatGPT as a tool. I freaking did it. I feel kind of good about it, too. Not even going to lie. I feel kind of good about it. Can I check Lo-Fi and Neos? Got you. Fees, I got you. Alrighty. Alright. Alright. Moving along. You should try Grock. Maybe I should. Maybe I should. I haven't tried it before. Does Grock do better thumbnails? I haven't even tried. Alright, so looking at mobile, I love how it looks on the daily. You have a very low stochastic. You are in bullish control zone, but you do have room to go up. You have been uptrending this whole time. I need to see the MACD do something different, because right now the MACD is just showing, hey, we could continue going to the downside. More bearish momentum. Let's check out your 4-hour. So your 4-hour just showing so much distribution. I mean, even if we decide to redraw the trend here, we're still broken out, which is nice. Today, you generated a photo of Kamala Harris tongue-kissing Joe Biden with Gary Gensler watching creepily in the background. That is wild. That's a lot. That is a lot, HQZ. Holy moly. That's too much. Alrighty. Wow. That didn't even post in the normal chat. That's how wild that was. Oh, man. Anyways, if we are looking at this as a new downtrend, we could be looking at it as some form of like a symmetrical triangle here, but we did break bullishly out of it. This is nice. Last night, you liked the Grock chart. I'm in with a bag on it. Nice. Very nice. So now, 4-hour, you are in neutral territory. Your stochastic's a little high for my liking. You are underneath your 50 simple moving average. That is a shame. That is a shame. Checking out the 1-hour. All right, your 1-hour on mobile is looking pretty strong. Pretty strong. I like how tight your moving averages are. This might actually be a trade setup for tonight. This thing looks really good. You just have a slight downtrend to get out of. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. I wasn't fading the thumbnail. Oh, okay, no worries. So, looking at this as a short-term downtrend, you can see a distinct level of support, which was acting as resistance back here at 1385. Really easy to put a stop loss right below it, so I'd probably put a stop loss at 1357 just to make sure things hold up. If you want to be super safe, you put a stop loss below this low, but I like to play it a little more risque, especially when the 1-hour stochastic is not very high. Going into your 15-minute, 15-minute looks solid too. I like mobile. I do like mobile right now at its level. You are above your 200 simple moving average on the 15-minute, waiting for that break to the upside. Very nice. Very, very nice. So I would be looking for anywhere between the 50, 618, and the 786. If it gets all the way to the 786, you're looking at 84% upside. That's what I'd be looking for. You got a transfer ban on Coinbase. What's the next best place you can deposit, then transfer into MEXC? I'm not sure. Good evening, TK. How you doing? Maybe Kraken might be the next best place. Kraken could work. How you doing? I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I could be better, but I'm doing good. Yeah, it could be better, but I'm doing good. All right, so right now, yes, I definitely would be looking for mobile to have a very good run up in the near future. So I do look forward to seeing how this thing moves. I might actually get into a long on this bad boy myself. What's the low that I have to worry about? What kind of leverage can I put on this thing? 3.56%. That's crazy. I hear like a. It sounds like a group of coyotes. And I also hear like police sirens. What the fuck is going on out there? That's wild. Why are so many people having problems with Coinbase lately? It makes you nervous. No need to get nervous about Coinbase. Coinbase just likes to be buttholes sometimes. Normally, when I hear coyotes making noise outside of my house, um, yeah, it makes it to where I know somebody's pet is getting eaten. Yeah, I'm definitely in Cali. Definitely in Cali. Otherwise, we wouldn't hear any coyotes around my house. A lot of dogs will howl when they hear sirens. That's true. That is true. Oh, look, it's doing the work for me. Let's go, mobile. Drop on down for me. Yeah, so, anyways, I was just listening to that. Transfer ban me till February. That's wild. Why would it transfer ban you? That's absolutely insane. If Ponky hits $1, you'll buy me a PC you want? Wow. Wow, Jin. I think I'd prefer just the money. I already have a PC. It's working. That's how I'm streaming. But if you wanted to just hand me the money for a new PC, I could put that to use in trading. And you could be the top dono. I mean, think about it. Think about it. Probably Chupacabra. Either way, if I lived in a different state that wasn't so crazy about guns, it would be dead because I would shoot it. Turbo hits $1. Oh boy, Turbo hits $1. That'd be insane. Anyway, so this is mobile right now. I might actually consider getting into a trade with this. Need that stop loss below these two lows here, but I'm going to wait. Anyways, that's mobile. Let's go ahead and move into ADA. Coming in next, ADA. I am currently not in any trades, so I am currently looking for a trade. 41 watching, 13 likes, WTF. I mean, what TK said. What are we doing, y'all? What are we doing, y'all? Smash the likes. It is late night. I already put the baby to sleep and everything. Hit those likes. Alright, checking out ADA on the daily. Yo, what's up, Marcus? How you doing? You had Coinbase do that to my mom's account for 3 months? You were pissed? That's crazy, Rich. That's crazy. Alright, checking out your daily. ADA is deciding it doesn't want to go down. It doesn't want to dig no more holes. Grandpa, no more holes. So we can get the idea of bottom of the channel out of there. At least for now. For now, we can not worry about it. So currently you have a low stochastic on the daily. You're showing less negative momentum. This is nice on your MACD. And you are not overbought on the daily. So if ADA felt like it, it could run. 4 hour. Oh shit, your 4 hour looks good on ADA. Holy shit. And you're breaking out. This could get wild. Anyways, neutral territory on relative strength. Your stochastic on the 4 hours curving up. This is really strong here. Looking at your 1 hour. Now your 1 hour just looks like poop. Just straight poop. However, positive. Breaking above that 200 simple moving average and pushing up. This is fantastic. TA on Velo, please. Jesse Turner. Got you covered. Got you covered. Velo. This is looking pretty darn good right here. I just don't like the stochastic, honestly. But relative strength sitting in neutral territory. Sign me up, baby. Sign me up. 15-minute. Awfully high. Awfully high. I would expect more consolidation. You currently have a supply line to work off of right here. So as long as you stay above this supply line, you should be doing all right. I would expect consolidation, though. I would be surprised if it just shot straight out of here. But you do have a couple targets. First target I'm looking at is 132.22 or 132.21. All see to run the same rhythm. That's true, HQZ. It's because they're all American based. The American coins are running. The American coins are running. It's kind of weird that now we have American coins to worry about. But yeah, first target I'd be looking at, if this rally is real, we'd be looking at 132.21. If it can break 146.03. I still believe 146.03 would kind of top things out. ETH, finally! Yeah, ETH has been moving. It has been moving. Alright, that's ADA. Now let's check out some Doge. Gonna squeeze and send? Oh, I don't know. We're gonna check it out. ETH. Alright, there we go. There we go. Jumping back into Sushi. Let's go! Is Sushi actually running right now? Should have stayed. Should have stayed. Anyways, looking at the Doge. Dogecoin still on the bearish breakdown. However, look at this thing. Yo, what's up? What's up, Marja? How you doing? How you doing today? Welcome back. Welcome back. Trump might make USA coin gains tax-free. That's perfect. I mean, why not? Why the heck not? Now, we're getting this rounded bottom out of Dogecoin, which now it's just, how much of a liquidity grab can you get? You had a breakout. You stayed broken out. That's positive. But you had this rising wedge pattern, which said you should go down 10%. It decided that 4% was enough. You want to check out Fet? All right, we got you covered. Got you covered, Marks. Marks Vids. Fet. All right, so if Dogecoin really does want to rally, first target 45.034, but let's be honest, we are still waiting for 57 cents. We've been waiting for 57 cents forever. It's got to happen sometime. Should make all coins tax-free, foreign and domestic. Should be. If you had to pick one coin to 10x soon, which coin? Roger, thank you so much for the super chat. Great question. One coin to 10x soon. That's a hard one. What is soon in your opinion? What is soon? That's a tough one. To 10x soon. I'd probably lock in a meme coin of some sort. P-Die seems like a meme coin. Maybe that. I'd have to say a meme coin of some sort. One coin to rule them all. Eventually going to come out of these gates for the racehorse. Yeah, right? Looking to gamble some money. Oh, 1 to 2 months. Ooh, one to 2 months. That's tough. I would say Pang would be the best bet. I would say Pang. I know you're going to say Grock, going to say all the other. I would say Pang. The only reason is because of the time frame. I would say Pang. Flare, Turbo, XYO. Nah, I would say Pang. Reason why I would say Pang is because Christmas. That's the only reason. Christmas. you get the penguin meme coin during December. If that thing can't rally in December, sell it off. Get rid of it. It doesn't matter. But yeah, the Pang token. I mean, it's literally a penguin. Hold on, I'm gonna take a little time for you guys to see this thing. I mean, it's literally a penguin. Like, look at this shit. It is literally a penguin. If it can't rally in December and get you that 10x, just sell the coin. Who cares? Like, who gives a shit? Just get out of there. So that's my thought. If Peng can't do it, I don't think you're getting a 10x this month. I just don't think so. Anyways, that's my thought. Peng is cute. It is Pepe in penguin form. That's all it is. If you want a shot, big gain, then bite. Maybe. I don't know. But yeah, that's my thought. Roger, thank you again for the super chat. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. By the way, there are variations on the super chats. I believe it's 5, 10, 20. Hold on. I'm going to find out what the variations are, where you guys can get those gifts that you like so much. Noted, they're more tame for the most part. Alerts. Tips. YouTube. Super chats. So we got 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, and 1,000. We'll give you different variations. So yeah, that's those are the variations, guys. Anyways, let's get back to the TA. Let's get back to it. Now, Dogecoin, we've been waiting ever since, what? November 12th for this thing to get to 57 cents. Who knows? Maybe, just maybe, it'll give it to us for Christmas. Just maybe. But we are currently under our supply line. We're getting held down right now. Your 15-minute has a high stochastic. Relative strength, oh, it's your 1 hour. 1 hour is a high stochastic. Relative strength, neutral territory. Still could go up. Your 4 hour has been going sideways for so long. These moving averages are extremely tight. You're uptrending on your relative strength. You have a high stochastic. So right now with these high stochastics, that is probably baiting in some shorts. I would consider Dogecoin to go up just because you had a downtrend, you broke out bullishly, and you're maintaining above this 200 simple moving average. I'm thinking this thing could pop up out of there, even though the stochastics are looking bad. Everything else is looking pretty darn good. Going out to your daily for Dogecoin, yeah, it's looking pretty good. You're almost at your 50 simple as well. So I'm expecting Doge to hug itself up against this supply line, and then possibly break to the upside. I heard all I need I'm in paying $900. Nice. Good luck in your gamble. Good luck. So yeah, Dogecoin right now, I'm looking for that 39% upside. I am feeling bullish on Dogecoin. I'm feeling bullish. The 1 hour is the only thing that has me feeling bearish. But we will see how it turns out in the coming days. Where to buy Peng? You can buy it on Weeks. It is our affiliated exchange. You should probably join it. It's great. Oh shit. Yo, thank you so much. This is what a 20 looks like. Thanks for your hard work and commitment, especially for all the wife and baby stuff going on. Freestyle, thank you so much for the $20 super chat. I do appreciate that. And yeah, she's still in the hospital over the weekend. Today is her birthday, so it was a bit tough. I was running around all day. We had to go visit, and it is what it is. But as long as our baby is going to be safe, we're good. We're good. I'm on Weeks. No, now, and I'd use your link. Or I'd use your link. Oh, no worries, Jen. It's all good. It's all good. Usually it's either Doge or SHIB, and SHIB looks ready to go. Well, when SHIB goes up a lot, that's when Doge goes up a little. When Doge goes up a lot, it's vice versa. Can I sign up with crypto? What do you mean? Can you sign up with crypto? I'm going to get a membership, but I'm playing hard to get. Roger, it's all good. It's all good. You can do as you please. But right now, top dono of the night is Freestyle. Thank you so much, Freestyle. I do appreciate it. And that was Guinea for you non-Dragon Ball fans. That was Guinea. Let me see what the... There is a perverted one in there. I just can't remember which one it is. So, oh, no, the $20 one... That was not it, because that was $19.99. Oh, it's the $50 super chat. If you do $50, then you get to see an anime girl jumping up and down. Alright, cool. That's what it is. What's my view on Chainlink? We will check it out. I think Chainlink was breaking out last time I looked at it, so we will check it out. Link. Anyways. But yes, once again, thank you so much, Freestyle. I do appreciate it. You're absolutely amazing. You're awesome. But also, that was a variation for the $10 super chat because it was $19.99, not the $20. Anyways, that's fun. That's fun. That's fun. Going over Teema next. Teema is on Bitmart. Looks ridiculous, but that's just because there's low volume. Let's go out to your daily. Who wanted Teema? Just curious why you wanted Teema. It's so new. It is so very new. Not much to go off of here, except for you're above resistance. Oh, can you do the sub in crypto? No. No, that's not how... YouTube wouldn't accept it. I'm sorry. Pumped and 2 days in a row? James Place? Really? I think it was a lower high, though. Well, we're going to be checking it out later. Oh, forgot to throw Ape on the list. All right, Rich, we'll throw in Ape. We'll check it out next for you. Ape. SHIB will run with ETH. Freestyle, I think you're right. I think you're absolutely right. Oh yeah, for those of you who actually care about the update about my wife, they found small contractions happening that she couldn't feel, and with that, they had to up her meds or drugs or something to try and help things out. Am I buying Polygon? Blackheart, I already own Polygon. So, oh, I didn't put that in my list. Holy shit. Yeah, I already own Polygon. So yeah, can we check PPU? Sure. PPU, got it. But yeah, so they're basically just trying to keep the baby in because the baby is 3 months early. So we should get a lot more answers by Monday. Hopefully it's all good news. Hopefully it's all good news. Right now, Teema on the 4 hour, it is trying to break out, trying to stay broken out, but this wick right here on the 4 hour makes me think prices are coming down. Oh man, wife okay? She's okay. It's just the baby wants to come really early, and that's causing a lot of problems. So we're hoping the drugs do their thing and can get her doing better and keep that baby in there for longer. Hope everything works out, man. Thank you. I do appreciate that, everybody. Just a little update for those who actually wanted to know about it. Just letting you know. What banks are working with Link? What does Link do? Link actually, it's like the interoperability between all cryptos. Link is one of the most helpful crypto out there, but on top of that, they're becoming one of the real world asset tokenization partners. So yeah, it's a big thing. Can I look at the total crypto market cap chart? Got you. We'll look at total. Yelton, thank you so much for the nice words. Thank you all for the nice words. I do appreciate that. Link been around for years. Link has been around for years because it had to be. That's how all the chains can talk to each other. Another one is Atom. Atom is Oracle that helps out as well. Thank you, Christian. Thank you. Anyways, Teema right now. Stochastic's trying to reset on the 1 hour, trying to make your 4 hour look less terrible, and on your 15-minute. Your 15-minute time frame does look like it wants to go up based off the indicators. However, there's such little data on this, I don't really know where it could go. We could try to pull a fib on this, but it looks kind of ridiculous. But you do have a higher low, so maybe possibly you see the 5.0 sitting at 16178, or you see the 19088. We're going to have to wait and see if it actually holds support at 7876, but way more likely because of that 4 hour time frame, that large wick, that pull down, we could be looking at 5480. Could be looking at that. You took the round trip for Link. Oof. Basura Bros? Basura Bros? I'm sorry, I'm messing up your name. I'm trying hard not to mess it up. I'm trying. Alright, so that is Teema. Now let's get into ApeCoin. Getting into the Ape. Ape's broken out. Go figure. Ape looks really good on the 15-minute. What the hell? Hold on. All of these moving averages are so tight. Holy shit. How's it look on the 1 hour? Okay, your 1 hour leaves a lot left to be desired, but it does look like it's rounded at the bottom here, so there is a reaccumulation happening after the move up. This is nice. Let's check the 4 hour. Okay, somebody had to wet the bed, and it's a 4 hour. Here we are. So your 4 hour, really wide moving averages. This is a problem. Question. New president has many crypto meetings where he has holdings in or interests. This a conflict? It would be if there was ever regulation on crypto. So right now, no. Until there's laws created on it. I mean, I'm sure when the laws come out, yeah, totally. But you know what? At least he's not pardoning everybody. Yelton, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it, guys. We are well on the road to 1,000 subs. We're so close. Every sub matters. Thank you so much. I do appreciate it. If you guys could keep on liking and subscribing, that would be great. Push this stream out to as many people that are actually awake and not partying right now and solely focused on money, because that's who we want in these streams. Anyways, so ApeCoin, let's just argue this is a bull flag. Let's make the argument. Bull flag happening on ApeCoin. Next target you could see is $2. $2. And the only reason I'm leaning bullish right now is simply because Wall Street is not suppressing prices anymore. Trust, I read on Twitter Trump's son Don J and their crypto co buying Link. Of course, they probably are. You just switched. Wait, what? Soul to Ape for a while? Okay, alright. Don't have 1,000 subs yet? Wow, you're easy to listen to. Well, Yelton, I do appreciate that. But yeah, no, we have like 800 something. So we're almost there. We're close. We're getting there. It's already illegal for Congress to trade single stocks in most cases. And they don't give a F? I mean, that's so true. Trump said to shoot him down. Oh, goodness. Alright, anyways. So ApeCoin right now, I'm going to lean bullish simply because Wall Street's not here. But in reality, you do have a high stochastic on the 4 hour that will want to reset at some point in time. So I would say possibly could see price come down. And if you did, I would look for support sitting at 1,477, which were these previous resistance. So that's where I'd be looking for support. If it does come down, it's probably going to do it tonight while we're sleeping, and then we might just see that rally ensue tomorrow. Just maybe. But yeah, Ape, I like that it broke out, looking pretty solid. Even if I readjust this out, it's still a breakout. So Ape is doing very well in my opinion. Let's see what happens. If it does go straight to the upside, I would be looking for 23% to 40% upside moves. This looks pretty good. Pretty good. I bet your daily looks amazing. I bet it does. And look at that. Your daily looks absolutely amazing. You tested your 50 simple. You bounced off of it. This looks really good on the daily. It's that pesky little 4 hour that's causing problems. All right, so that is ApeCoin. I'm bullish on it. I like it. Pew. Rebranding as S-Sonic. Yes, and Barusa Bros, they also have Sonic name services. So the fact that they have Sonic name services, yeah, I bought some of that shit. Hell yeah, I did. Because I saw ENS. Big holder in XRP Hbar. Do you do much on charting these? Yeah. Especially lately. Everybody likes them. We can loop back around to XRP and Hbar once we get down there. Got you covered there. By the way, for anybody who's new into the stream, just so you know how these requests work, great way. Pepe Unchained. Is that what this thing's called? Is it even on exchanges? Because I can't find it. I can't find this one. I'm sorry. I can't find it. But anyways, members, all of their requests get funneled up to the top, and then we go back to the non-members requests. And I like to keep it in a queue. I like to keep it fair, and I like to go in order based off when I see it. Thanks for 8, bud. No problem, Rich. No problem. It might be on TradingView yet. I guess it's not. We're going to skip it. So now we're going to check out total. So on total, motherfucker, what? We're at all-time highs? We are at all-time highs for total. Wow. There's that. There is that. All-time highs for total. And we are above our 3.39 trillion. And we bullishly backtested it as support. Holy shit. Next target, 4.45 trillion. Wow. Wow. 24.74% upside is very possible. Because your daily says so. That's amazing. I didn't know total was that high. Total's that high, and we have altcoins barely leaving their accumulation range? Where's the retail? What? Wow. That's crazy. That is crazy. I just need 1 trillion. Yeah, I just need a trillion. That's it. Just a trillion. Oh man. I guess institutions really be in here right now. Holy, that's kind of wild. But hey, here we are. Great times. All right, let's move on to Ponky. Ponky. If I could spell. All right, spelling's hard. Don't judge me too hard, please. Looking at your daily on Ponky, we are still being held down. Yikes. Against our will. Jeez. It's no good. There are a lot more coins. This is what I'm saying. Too much spread out, I guess. We need Super Bowl commercial pronto? Oh, the Super Bowl commercials. That would be great. Oh my goodness. Peng up 26%. Let's go, Peng. Sweet. This market may get pretty surreal. It's going to get insane. That's what it's going to be. All right, so looking at your daily on Ponky, we are trying our damnedest to get some support around here. Can we get some support around here? It looks like currently our support level is all the way down here in the depths of hell. Oh my goodness. All the way down there at 40664. Volume depletion. Yeah, volume's fallen off, but noted price has been falling. So that's okay. That's actually okay. Did we just jump and dump Peng chart? No. You didn't request Peng. No one requested Peng. No one requested Peng. I just talked about it. There was never a formal request. So I didn't go into it. Market will be overbought over weekend then? It probably will be. That guy's spending 900 on Peng, pumped it 26%. Who knows? Maybe. Maybe Roger did it. Maybe Roger did it. Oh man, that's funny. Looking at your 4 hour on Ponky, looking solid. No, it was a joke. Oh, I got you. I got you. All right, so looking solid on your 4 hour, you are reset, but man, you are overextended from your moving averages on the 4 hour. Would make all the sense in the world to move up to go hit some resistance at 52096. Would make all the sense in the world. Checking out your 1 hour. 1 hour time frame, you are setting up for a bit of a move up. This is nice. Looks like your relative strength is bottoming out. Time for a bit of an uptrend. Peng is a geographical meme. Okay, alright, sure. Alright, so we do have a downtrend on Ponky. Let's check this little downtrend out. Looks like you tried to breach it before and you got shut down, but now we do have our first higher low. This is fantastic to see. Let's go into our 15-minute. 15-minute trying its best not to look irrelevant, but we did just retake our 50 simple for the second time. So as long as we can maintain these levels here, we are golden. Just stay above this. Stay above the supply line. Anyways, if I was a scalp trader, which I definitely do that a lot, I would be looking for price to get up a little bit, just a little bit. Looking for price to jump up probably about 3% here before I would jump out of it. The reason why no mention Peng. Nobody asked for Peng. All I got asked from Roger was, what coin do I think could 10x in the next month or two? And I said Peng, because Christmas. That's the whole reason. A meme coin centered around a penguin. Yeah, but then nobody asked for the chart, so there's that. It's fine, no big deal. But anyways, Ponky right now, I would like to see a breakout and a backtest of support sitting somewhere around this 47,388 level. That would be really nice to see. And if that happened, we do have another overhead resistance that we would look toward getting to. So let's just say we do get that move about 10.98% to the upside. Could happen for a bearish backtest. If we break out, then awesome. We then could be looking for that 65161 level. Reason why Peng wasn't mentioned, it's a geographical meme was my reason. Oh, I gotcha. Okay. Sorry. Sorry. So yeah, that's Ponky. If we do manage to hit this and then break out, get a back test, we're then looking to move right on up here, which could yield you a 38% upside. Can I check spell? Yes, I can. No. No problem, Jin. Hopefully that helps you out, but I do love the higher low that was just made. This gets me a little more bullish, thinking we could see a lot more upside. So this is very good to see. Lo-Fi is next. Okay, I don't even have to write the US. Okay, sure. I guess TradingView knew. Oh, why? Why? This is a bad request. I would say sell it. Take your profits. Get out. This looks insane. This looks absolutely nuts. Your level of support is all the way down here. Like one. Are we serious? 01176. Who asked for this? This thing has gone up astronomically high from the gap up. It literally gapped up. Like what? It gapped up to a 13x. Can we check Brett? People are still mad. Or are people still mad? Why are people mad at Brett? I don't understand. But yeah, we can check Brett. Do we have any other chart here? I'm not going to Poloni X. Definitely not doing that. This is what we got here. Okay, all right, sure. We're gonna do our best, but you're overbought. I don't know what else to tell you here. You got some support there. You got some resistance right here. I guess. Maybe we should wait for the day to end. I don't. Zach Humphreys has been shilling. What, Brett token? Really? Why would people be mad about that? It's weird. I mean, the amount of bearish divergence is shocking. How's this thing still going up? It's actually shocking. I don't... People thought about buying this still? I'm so... You even have bearish divergence here. The fuck? Baby Doge? Sure, we'll get that. Okay, you have huge bearish div, and your lowest or your closest support level would be at 13395. Oh, Zach Humphreys has been shilling this thing. That's why I did a 13x. That's weird. Okay, I wish I knew who Zach Humphreys was. I don't. Not at all. So, I mean, least surprising thing in the market would be if you fell 27%. Less surprising thing would be if you fell 62%. Most likely thing that would happen is you fall all the way back down. A 92% retrace. X swap, alright. X swap it is, Martin. We'll look at that too. So, yeah, this one, it doesn't look good. This looks kind of terrible. Hawk Tua's up 7% today with a solid market cap of 50K. Let's go, baby! You don't like anything with the word baby in it since you lost your ass on Baby Peanut? Well, I mean, it's just a shell of what everything else is. Just a shell, man. Check what the fuck? It broke out. I was looking at Brett earlier, as you can see, but Brett managed to break out of this thing. I'm surprised. I'm actually genuinely surprised that it broke out of that. We do have another downtrend that we will have to break out of. Maybe we're gonna test it. I don't know, but it's sitting right there. Sitting right there. Looks like we could actually go up to test it. All right. If we can break above 18,202, I would guess we could see an 11% rise up to our demand line. A peanut shell? No, I see what you did there. I see what you did there, HQZ. I see it. Hit the like button to pump the markets. Hit the likes. Anyways, going out to your 4-hour time frame for Brett. Yeah, let's move that to the side. Why not? 4-hour time frame. You are bouncing after you bullishly retook your 200 simple moving average. Bullishly bouncing off. Hold the phone here. Hold the phone. Now it looks like we're hitting overhead resistance. This is cool. We could actually see a breakout in the coming hours. This is actually a big deal, because if I was scalp trading this, I would be looking at it just like this. Is that still 10%? Is that really what? Okay, well, 12% upside for Brett to hit that demand line. Yeah. So what I said before, I would be looking for that little move up to the demand line. That's kind of funny. Soon Bitcoin will dump. Excuse me? Ricky Ricardo. Soon Bitcoin will dump to 200,000. And then it's time to degen into naked Hawk Tua. Not financial advice. What? Class is dismissed. How the fuck is it gonna dump to 200? Hold on. What? How about XYO? Papa like it is. Okay, sure. XYO. Wild. Alright, so that's what I see out of Brett token. Brett looks pretty darn solid. Just checking out the 15. 15 looks like you need a little bit of consolidation still. So be careful with this high stochastic on the 15. You also are in the bullish control zone. Very close to overbought territory. So just be careful on this one. You are right at resistance. If it does pull back, I mean, you need a stop loss right down here like 17,181 to feel any type of safe. So that's what I see out of Brett. Brett does look like it wants to break and move up. It really does look like it. So that's nice. It's really nice. Moving right along, we got Neos. Neos. I got Neon. Hold on. I got Neo. Neo. Wait. Neo. No. Could Brett have another 4x in it? I mean, possibly over time, but in the meantime, I'm just looking for that 12%, man. Because there's a demand line right there. There's no telling. No telling what happens when you hit the demand line. You could be overbought again, and it could just start falling. Can I look at Rose? Freestyle, I got you. Did somebody want Neo, or is this Neos? Neos. Is that a thing? Who requested this? I have no idea who requested this. It was a while back. All right. Well, since I can't find Neos, we're gonna have to loop back around and probably look at Neo later. But Rose, I'm skipping it. Checking out the Rose Garden. All right, Rose, a very nice golden cross here that got completely disrespected. You almost backtested your 50 simple. Oh my goodness, are we gonna get something here? We're finding a ton of support off this 10672 level. Very easy place to strategize a stop loss at this point, and more likely you're going to see overhead resistance at 22,534. Didn't somebody request Fet? Yeah, they did. It's just down here on the list. We'll get to it soon. 4-hour time frame, looking good. 4 hours, not bad. You're just consolidating sideways, resetting your stochastic. Also, relative strength sitting in neutral territory. This is actually not bad at all. We did have a downtrend right here. Let's see how it looked. Perfectly broken out. Did you look at that? Let's go down to your 1 hour, see how this really lines up. It still looks the same. 1 hour's reset. Rose might be rallying a lot starting tonight. Huh. That's cool. We got a few levels to focus in on, so that's even better. But looking at our 15-minute, is our 15-minute lining up? No, it's not. Damn. Put 5K at dip of 9 cents. What? Oh, on the dip, you have 5K on it? Nice. It does look like you're about to have another move to the upside, though. Just need that 15-minute stochastic to reset for you. But everything else looking pretty darn solid. Loopring, please. Looking good. We will check it out. LRC. Loopring. So yeah, this is actually looking really solid in my opinion. We got 2 targets here. So target number 1, we're going to be looking for a 43% upside. Holy shit. Target number 2, we're looking, oh my god, 100% upside. What? Sorry, Rose? Steroids? Rose is on steroids? Hello? That's crazy. So, yeah, looking pretty gosh darn solid for Rose. Next, we're going to check out LRC. Loopring. You are in no man's land. Could go to 36, could go to 18. Flip of a coin right now. Let's check the daily. really a flip of the coin right now. But it looks pretty good. It did the same thing as Rose. You got your golden cross, disrespect, almost touching your 50 simple. Looking almost the exact same. Check out your 4 hour. 4 hour, it's the exact same chart. What? Exact same chart. We're trending sideways. I mean, we don't have the breakout yet, so there's that. But oh, yikes. I guess I'm more tired than I thought. Anyways. We got a nice bull flag here. That's what we care about. You want to check out Flare? Alrighty. Flare. So, beautiful bull flag. I would be looking just at the bull flag if I'm being honest, because Loopring, for the most part, never likes to do what I think it's going to do. So, I always like to go with a much more conservative look on Loopring. As long as you stay in this bull flag, you're doing pretty good. Reset all your indicators. Doing pretty good. Could stay in this thing for a while, though. Definitely could. You got 2 touches on the bottom here. Let's make this thing look a little bit prettier, more presentable. Yeah, this is your grade A bull flag. If I've ever seen one. Grade A. Looking solid. Once you get that breakout and possible back test, you could be looking for a 27% rise. I'm in that Brett scalp. Wish me luck. Good luck, Jin. I hope the best for you. Could see all the way up to 34% upside. Wait for the breakout, because these moving averages, they don't look great. They're not awesome. So wait for the breakout, wait for the back test, and then go for glory. Let's see if we do have any issue here. Yeah, biggest issue, we have not gotten the 50% retrace. We could be coming all the way down to 2509. Extremely possible. So just be careful with that when it comes to Loopring. But other than that, looking pretty solid. Pretty darn solid. I like the bull flag. I do like it. But wait for the breakout. Just give it a good old wait. Alright. That was LRC. Let's go to Velo next. VELO. By the way, which Velo are we looking at? Are we looking at Velodrome Finance? Or are we just looking at Velo? There's a big difference between the two. Considering you said Velo and not Velodrome Finance, I'm guessing it's this one. Solid. Holding of support. Solid. On the 1 hour, I don't like that high stochastic. I really don't. Yelton, I know that you asked for Flare. We're keeping it in the queue. We're in the queue. Oh, I'm on the wrong one. It's Velodrome. Got it. Tito 22. We can check out C token. Or maybe it's Say. So, Velodrome Finance had the God candle. And now it's just retracing. Just retracing. Looking at your 1 hour. You have reset on the 1 hour. So, there's that. But, yeah, going... I would mark this out kind of like, I mean, you clowned on me the other day for having a big bag of chain link. I don't recall clowning on you for having a big bag of chain link. If you mentioned it was like your only bag, yeah, I probably clowned on you for that one. Probably. Of all the entries I'm in right now, Grock just gives me that gut feeling of let's fucking go. Can you chart when you get time? No rush, thanks. Freelance, you gotta understand what happens when you request while being a member. You automatically jump to the front of the line. So there's that. Equali, please, sir. Wait, what? Martial law? Is that a coin? Chainlink and LTC. Oh, the two coins that hardly ever move. Yeah, I remember now, Amir. I remember. You're like, you laughed at me, but we moved this week. We didn't move any other week, but we moved this week. Chainlink made a good move. You're right. It made a good move. Join the NASDAQ. I'm calling a new all-time high for Bitcoin this week. You heard it here first. Roger, yes, we know. We know. Aerodrome's over $2. That's wild. Yes, sir. Crazy. Crazy. So, martial law wants Equali. Just had to say it like that. Equali, but Grock. Oh. Ondo is the key. Roger, old news. I still think Ondo should go down. The fact that it's defying all odds is surprising. Damn rich. He still has them from 2017. That's crazy. Old news, Roger. Old news. That's funny. Optimism. Superchain is bigger than base on paper. So, with that thesis, Velo should pump. Interesting. Velo did pump, though. I mean, it literally had a god it had a god 1 hour candle of 144%. It pumped like crazy. Crack open a Dr. Pepper. I already finished one. I'm good on the sugar for now. Thank you, though. New. Buy it. Wait, what? News. Buy the news. Ondo. Oh, the news pumped it? That's some bullshit. I hate that. I hate the news pumped it. News-driven catalysts are bushka. Or bullshit. I hate them. They fuck up TA. The fact that now we have news-driven catalysts for crypto that are that strong, it is shocking to me. Alright, so yeah, Velodrome, it literally shot up in a single hour, 144%. Let's see if we can get some support. Sitting down here at 21.2304. That's really what I'm thinking. Flare? Yeah, God Candle, but it's still low cap compared to Arrow, which is its fork. Oh, really? That's crazy. Yelton, don't worry, I got Flare. Why I said it? That's true, he did say it. Do you think we'll see a big pullback in January around Inauguration Day? Maybe. I mean, maybe. It kind of depends. We'll see. Normally, for the new year, you'll see a pullback in the first week or two while institutions jumble around whatever assets they're holding. But then it usually is over in the first, 2-3 weeks. So, maybe by the time inauguration comes, we start pumping again. I don't know. Otherwise, it's going to be a sell the news event, and yeah, we could see a major dump. We'll see. We'll see. You have orders in 19? Wait, what? On Velo, what do you think? I think it should hold this 21, 23 level if this pump was real, because you were already sitting at a support level. You pumped off of it. So now, backtesting a level of support basically means uptrend is in. So if the uptrend is in, now we can actually pull a trending Fibonacci, which this could be really cool if it does that. Because then you could look for that nice 50% retrace right after, putting in a lower high, getting some consolidation going. Could be something like another 75% upside. This thing could get nasty. So yeah, I do like this. But I would like to see some support. Your 1 hour already reset, so it's trying to find support. Your 15-minute, it's trying to push up as well. No bullish divergence, but it's trying to do its thing. Find support, make everyone happy. Shoot on up after that. Till then, I gotta be bearish on it. I gotta be. I need that consolidation after a God candle. I need the reaccumulation. I need something. Roger that. Thanks. No problem. No problem. But yeah, that's the level. 21.2304. Guys, I gotta run to the bathroom real quick before we get to Grock. I'll be back. I gotta go to the bathroom. I'll be back. I'm back. Shake more than once. You're playing with it? Oh boy. Y'all are wild. Y'all are wild. I had chat up. I was in there. I saw it all. Anyways, it's fine. Unless somebody talked on Twitch. Then I totally missed them. So yeah, now we're going to move on to Grock. Looking at Grock. Wow, that is chop if I've ever seen it. Holy moly. Let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hour looks so darn good for Grock. It looks so good. But man, was that choppy as hell. Either way, as long as you maintain the support level at 769, you're looking fantastic. Make sure to hit the like button. Everybody hit that like button. Touch it. Make it look good. Either way, Grock is still set up for 87% upside. This thing has just not moved all day, making everyone bored. How? It's done nothing. How is that stochastic so high, doing nothing? That's shocking. Relative strength still sitting in neutral territory, but it does look like you're going to be consolidating a bit longer. I guess it's not tight enough for them. I don't understand what they're looking for. That's crazy. Allow this thing to run. Jeez. Looking at your 15-minute neutral territory. You are trading absolutely sideways. Once this sideways price action finally breaks, it could be an extremely explosive move up. Is it your daily that's holding you back? Is that what it is? You just got a golden cross. What are we doing? So yeah, Grock, even with the golden cross, still hasn't been able to do a damn thing. I'm guessing, though, this weekend, the D-Gens might send it. They just might. Alt season, this will fly. It might go without alt season. Golden crosses are serious business, especially on a weekend. This looks like a weekend warrior rally right here. So be ready for the weekend warriors. Grock looking pretty solid. Pretty solid. I can't trade Grock, can I? No, I can't. Son of a bitch. Alright, anyways. That's Grock. Grock looking good. Checking out Ethereum next. So ETH. Checking out the Ethereum. Oh, Ethereum chart looking sexy. You got the breakout. You're maintaining the positive momentum. This is fantastic. You're just still underneath resistance at 3,935. Still under resistance. Damn. You are not overbought on the daily. Stochastic looks good. Let's check your 4 hour. Gary. We'll check out some Gary. Check out some Gary. 4 hour looks really good also. You're above your 50-simple moving average, low stochastic, neutral territory. This looks really good. Looking at the 1 hour wants to do it. 1 hour wants to frickin' do it. First target is going to be this nice 786, sitting at 4,144. It could pop up there like a little pimple. Could do it. This is looking really solid. 15-minute. Oh, come on, 15. You're supposed to look good too. 15-minute has a high stochastic. Wait for that to reset and then enjoy. Used Robinhood wallet to get in Grock. Very easy. Really? Go figure. I didn't know Robinhood had like a crypto wallet. That's news to me. It's kind of crazy. So Ethereum looking damn solid. Need that 15-minute to reset. Once it resets, I mean, off to the races, baby. You do have a demand line. We just adjust it out here. And once we get that breakout, this could be awesome. Make sure you respect the supply line. Respect it. Nice bull pennant sitting right there. Yelton, don't worry. Flare is on the list. Flare is on the list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You are 9 requests away. All right? You're 9 requests away. Don't you worry, Yelton. Noted. If you want to jump to the front of the line, you have to A, be a member, or B, donate. Otherwise, in the queue, baby. Just kind of how it works. Yeah, big list. Y'all been requesting a lot today, and the list got even bigger. You can blame Freestyle. He's been requesting a lot. Happens to be a member. happens to be a member. So all the members' requests jump to the front of the line. It kind of is what it is. But I do try to keep it as fair as I can when it comes to members and being upfront about that. I give them the special treatment simply because they are supporting the channel in the biggest way. Now, checking out the daily on Fet. Golden what the fuck is this? How did that happen? What the hell is this? You had to go feed the baby? Oh, no problem, y'all. I totally understand. I'm like single fathering it for this week. Oh my gosh, it's terrible. Yeah, I totally get it. Martial Law, thank you so much for the $2 super chat. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Super chat for Fast Chart. Look. That's funny. So, looking at the, I mean, you'd save a ton of money if you just became a member. It's $5 a month. So much money saved rather than super chatting each time. And hopefully, I can help you make $5. Hopefully, with this non-financial advice and all entertainment. All right, we have this double golden cross going for Fet, which is absolutely insane. But with that being said, we did have a back test of our former demand line. We held like a champ. Daily stochastic looking great. Relative strength sitting in neutral territory. Your MACD is still not showing a lessening in bearish momentum, so we're waiting for that to happen. Looking at your 4-hour time frame, it's set and ready to go. Looks fantastic. We do have a downtrend to worry about, I think, which is right here. No, we're broken out of that. We are broken out of that. I think we're about to have a nice alt rally this weekend. I really do. It's starting to feel that way. We have a nice rounded bottom, meaning reaccumulation. If you're jumping into a new trade on this, you're looking to have a stop loss around 174.1. Your profit taking level would be sitting somewhere in the neighborhood of 216.7. Would be a solid trade. So you're looking at possible 20% upside. When can we expect Fet to $5? We never expect anything. But if this trend continues, I need membership. I don't need membership, thanks though. I'm just here because I want to be. Martial Law, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Checking out the weekly time frame. I mean, you're above all your moving averages. You back test. Wow, that was a perfect back test at your 50 simple. Let's just say we're uptrending. It could take you as long as, oh my god, it could take you forever. Oh my god. Could take forever and a day if you maintain the supply line. Oh my Lanta, $5. So on a conservative thing, January 25th, we could see $5. January 25th. Paying 30% day and climbing. Yes, freestyle. I like to give out some winners. I do like to give out some winners. But yeah, no, this thing's looking pretty damn solid for January 25th. Noted it can definitely go faster, just like it did back here. But, I mean, that rally started February 5th. Oh my goodness. It took it all the way until March 25th. Took a full month. God candles don't care about trend lines. That's true. But then again, I've never seen Fet move like a God candle. I've just seen consecutive weeks of it going straight up. Yeah. It could take a while. I'm just looking for that 20% upside right now. And if you happen to break that level, you could see a 68% move to the upside. That's what I'm looking at. You're welcome for pumping bang. That's pretty funny. Roger. Pump it. Roger is a whale? I guess so. Actually, Pang's a pretty low market cap. I don't think it needs to be that whalish. Market cap sitting at 18 million. It's pretty low. Anyways, Fet starting to see a little bit of red right now. That's a shame. And it's because of the 15 minute. So Fet on the 15 minute does want to consolidate a bit. But yeah, as long as you maintain above this low here, 173.8 should be good for the upside. Should be good. So that's great. Let's check out Link next. Together, the chat can move Pang. Tiny market cap. Exactly. It's really low. So checking out Link. I think Link is specifically for Amir because he's been holding it and it's his main position alongside Litecoin. Anyways, on the 15 minute, this thing does look like it's getting ready to go up to 33.74. You need $1 billion market cap. Yeah, that's not that rare, Freestyle. It's not that rare to get that $1 billion evaluation. Looking at our 1 hour time frame, it looks really good. Looks really good. Maybe we're going to have an upsloping resistance so we can go straight up to that 33.74. We're going to see, but this thing looks kind of wild. Kind of wild. Ugh. The broadening wedge. I don't like that. I don't like that one bit. It's kind of bearish. Kind of bearish, but you are expecting to go test the top. So, I guess that's positive. 1 hour, looking okay. You do have some bearish divergence to worry about, but you could always cancel it out. 4 hour time frame. Yikes. Got your bearish divergence on the 4 hour as well. We'll see if Link can keep going. If I 10x Pang, Porky getting 10% of the profit, I'd appreciate that. That'd be great. Your initial investment. That would be solid, Roger. That would be solid. Checking out your daily. Link still could move up. Still could move up. You almost got that full 100% retracement on the trend from here, but noted we should have lowered it down. So we'll do that now. You got well over the 100 and back tested it as support. That's insanity. Next level, you're looking at 33.25 to 33.74. I like Link where it's at as long as you're staying above 27.66. I like it a lot. Your 15 minutes says the rally is going to come sometime shortly. Sometime shortly. You're currently broken out. This could be a trade for the night. I'm surprised to say that. Could be a trade for the night. For you degenerate scalpers out there, you'd probably be looking to take... Ooh. You hit my green zone twice. Then you're breaking out. That's beautiful. Looking to take profit at 31.47. Could very well be a 6.35% upside. Oh, what's the downside? I might actually enter this one. 1.47? Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm going to enter Link. That's what I'm going to do. Link. We're going to market buy into this bad boy. We're going to market buy into this 35x. That's what we're going to do. Nice little 35x, little pumperoonie. We got a nice tight stop loss to work with also. Nice tight little stop loss. 29.15. 29.15. 29.15. We're going to risk it for the biscuit. Going to risk it for the biscuit. 31.47. 31.47. 31. All right, let's see if we can make this 200% gain. Let's see if we can do it. We'll see. We'll see. But that's what I'm seeing out of Link. Hopefully, you guys can see it too. And hopefully we can will this thing together to go up. I just like how our 15 minutes moving up fast. We're on a fresh breakout. Could get that back test. We're holding support. I do like this a lot. So let's see if it maintains and starts moving on up. Let's see. Now that's Link. Let's move on to XRP and Hbar. XRP is going to be a quick one. XRP is going to be a quick one because we already checked it out. You already have your bullish breakout. You're finding resistance at that 250.91 level. However, if you don't get a back test, you are more than likely going to come up anywhere between 289 and 316. I would like it if it stopped at 316 because that would make the most sense to me. As a nice wick high, then we roll over. But who knows? Could be completely wrong about it. Could be completely wrong about it. I don't hate XRP. It's the XRP army that bothers me. There's a big difference. XRP as an asset is fine. XRP, Ripple, they never said, hey, we're going to 589. We're going to 1,000 per token. We're going to 10,000 a coin. They never said that. It's the XRP army that says that. They bother me. They bother me a lot. Because even like we had in our chat randomly one day when some dude was like, I'm invested in XRP. I'm going to be doing it for the next 5 years, looking for 1,000 a token. Those motherfuckers, they got another one. They got another one. That's why you don't know Zach Humphreys. That's true. He's the XRP army leader. I thought it was BitBoy or something. I thought it was him. You're right. That's why I don't know him. He needs XRP shirt to wear on stream. Oh gosh. Your cost basis on XRP is $1.50. Biggest winner this year. Roger. Shame on you for not being in this stream sooner. If that's your biggest winner this year, that's a shame. Man, join the Discord. Join the Discord. You could be buying things like DAR or City or Pang, and you will blow out those gains. XRP made a 4x on the... Wait, your average cost is $150. You just bought it? That's your biggest gainer? Really? Oh, man. We're going to get you some gains out here. Can I chart Mastar? Yep. MicroStrategy, we can. You've been focused on stocks? I'm a stock guy? Oh, I got you, Roger. Okay. Alrighty. I understand. I mean, I don't know. I started buying Nvidia when I started buying Nvidia when they mentioned they were going to make Earth 2.0. And then all of a sudden they created those AI chips, and I was like, whoa, so much for Earth 2.0. I sold off all of my Nvidia stock. I sold all of it because I was like, golly, that thing went up a lot. That thing went up like crazy. Doge will be an easy 3 to 5x. I don't know about easy. It only got to 71 cents last bull run. That was the highest it's ever seen in its entire lifetime. Other than Bitcoin, I should say, you have a decent Bitcoin position. All right, Roger. Well, hopefully you'll find some bigger wins next year. Yeah, I think you should consider getting Kaspa, KAS. That might be a good little purchase for you. Not financial advice. Just maybe you should get it advice. Anyways, checking out Hbar right now. Hbar on the 15-minute. Looks like it's trying to reset its indicators. You have broken to the upside of not only this downtrend, but this downtrend as well. You have held support at 28,727. All you need to do is stay above it. Just stay above it. Got to get in earlier, Roger. That's true. Definitely got to get in earlier. Checking out your 1 hour for Hbar. 1 hour's resetting. This is fantastic to see because you are backtesting your 50 simple. Spent all summer buying the lows. Smart move, HQZ. Smart move. Love it. You got XRP at 20 cents years ago and sold? Oh, so you had it before it's pumped? That's crazy. That's awesome. Love it. Kickback and popcorn? Nice. Bitcoin price when Doge hit 73? That's a tough call. I don't know. I take it I still have some caffeine in my system. The more water I drink, getting a little bit more energy. That's nice. All right, so right now HBAR is trying to consolidate. Maintaining that 50 simple is going to be a really big deal. If you can do that, then first target is to hit this demand line overhead. First target overhead, 11% upside, and then if you can manage the breakout, you do have overhead resistance at 36,424. Right now, you're just consolidating. As long as you're staying above 28,727, you are in the clear for upside. 4 hours trying to reset its stochastic right now. This red candle here, I hate it because that's a bearish hammer, and somehow we pushed above it. I don't even understand how we could do that. Oh, wait. Okay, bearish pin bar, but I don't even understand how we pushed above that. That is insane. Wow. I am shocked. So now, the 4 hour could drag you down a bit. I mean, like a lot. That's scary. I don't like that candle. That's a really bad candle. Let's check out your daily. Daily, are you showing? You are. You got bearish divergence on the daily that is playing out to the downside. Would make literally all the sense in the world to bounce around in here before falling lower. Based off the daily time frame, HBAR looks like it's in trouble. But you did reset your stochastic, so you could see another move to the upside. Conflicting indicators, I expect sideways action. Conflicting indicators means sideways to me. Oh, I got it back to that spot. Biggest thing you want to watch for if you think HBAR is going to go up is break this downtrend to the upside, and then you're golden. If you don't break it to the upside, just straight down to support. Just straight on down. Could be a little rough. Could be a little rough. So that's HBAR. Next we got Spell. Don't worry. MicroStrategy is on the queue. We will get there. We will get there. BTC 57K May 8th. 2021, nice. Papa Oso, what's up? Hi, how you doing? Welcome in. Are you first time chatter? Yeah, first time chatter. What is up? How you doing? Welcome in. Over there on Twitch, it's lonely over there. We're also live on YouTube. Second indicator is RSI. Yes, it's the relative strength index. So I have both the stochastic and the regular RSI. I got them both. And then on the bottom, it's a MACD. On bottom's MACD. Well, this is nice. Nice little rounding at the bottom, a reaccumulation. Let's see here. Stochastic, I don't like it on the 15. Let it reset first. Checking out your 1 hour. 1 hour, you're stuck between your 50 and 100. All good. Thanks for the TA. No problem, TJ. No problem. I'm just working it out in the queue. Just going through all the requests. So, did you do it? No, you didn't. Damn it. Well, it just looks like a reaccumulation here. I was hoping for some bullish divergence. My like work RSI in longitude 21. I don't even know what that is. Is that an indicator or is that a map? That's wild. I have no idea what that is, if I'm being honest. No clue. So your 1 hour is trying to reset right now. You're in between your 50 and 100 simple moving averages. That could get real boring real quick. Could just be going completely sideways. Your 4 hour, very wide moving averages, and you're in the middle? That's tough. That's really tough. Go config the RSI indicator. Why do you want me to configure it? What? Spell kind of looks good to buy. I don't know. Spell looks kind of weird to me. Why do you want me to go to settings and configure this to what? prove and check? What the fuck do you mean? Top 21, right 21. So you want both of these, top 21 and right 21? Why do you want those at 21? I'm used to reading it like this. Why would I change it? Good night, everyone. Thanks for HQZ. Have a good night. Sleep well. I appreciate you for coming in and hanging out. Hopefully you sleep well. But yeah, Oso, why would I change it to those things? I'm used to it at 10 and 10. Why would I change it? Anyways, getting back to what I was looking at. So this thing does look interesting. Stochastic's trying to alone, prove, and check. Yeah, oh, so I don't even know what you're trying to get me to do. Later change as I prefer. For the stream, I'll keep it here, but I'll think about changing it later on after the stream. I don't want to throw off my groove here. I like my settings the way they are at the moment, and I don't want to throw them off in the middle of doing TA for everybody on something that I've never done before. Yeah, I don't want to do that. I'll check it later. But you're talking about top 21 and right 21? I can change that later. Anyways, yeah, so Spell right now, we are trading sideways. Stochastics in neutral territory, relative strength, neutral territory. You're super neutral here. So we're going to see if it does go up, but with that 50 simple pushing down, we could see this thing consolidate a bit longer than we would prefer. As long as we stay above our supply line, sitting down here at, let's say 9180, we should be doing just fine for possible upside. The problem I do see for Spell, though, based off this bearish trade setup, it's kind of set up perfectly to go down. Kind of set up perfectly. So we're going to see what ends up happening with Spell. I'm at a coin flip, whether it goes up or down right now. Considering we are going into the weekend, I would expect it to go up, but we will see. Also, it's on a fresh breakout, so I still would expect that upward move. And if it does go up, I'm looking for a small move. Looking for it to test overhead resistance at 10886. Noted, you only hit the 618. Only hit the 618. Still could go lower. Spell's an interesting one. Spell's an interesting one to say the least. What's our daily look like? Daily time frame. Oof. Looking great on the stochastic. Neutral territory, but the MACD still wanting to trend down. We have not taken out any negative momentum. We could continue. Yikes. Yikes. So yeah, Spell, I wouldn't even try to trade it if it were me. I would just be watching, waiting, wanting it to touch a support or break out. Good night to short the market. You think so? Roger, check out pal. Stock. Is that rock bottom price? Friend has inside info for future price going to $3 or $4 soon. That is crazy. You're talking about for power horse? Was that workhorse? Something like that? Link? Is Link starting to go up right now? I don't know. Did you just admit to insider trading? No, he admitted to insider information. That RSI have an EMA working to 10 period? I believe so. Yeah. Yes, Oso, I believe so. Checking out the baby Doge. Just like Nancy. Nobody has insider information like Nancy. Nobody. What the hell is baby Doge doing? Holy shit. All it does is pump and dump. Holy crap. I mean, you hit your highest weekly candle closes ever. That's nice. Why doesn't it line up with any of them? What the why does it do that? Got this strange little pocket here. Guess we go with this one because it came first. You also got wick high. Wick high. Alright. I guess these are the main levels we got to worry about for baby Doge, but as long as you can stay above 42.64, you're sitting pretty. Weekly still wants to go up? How the okay, sure, baby Doge. Daily stochastic resetting for like the first time ever? What the fuck is this? I don't even know what to make of these indicators down here. Ugh. Too much period. Too much low period. Baby Doe's like playing with fireworks. This thing's crazy. I don't even understand. I can just play with patterns here. This is wild. So if you're playing with a pattern, you're just looking at this as a falling channel that you broke out of? So, Osa, are you trying to say that if I raised it to 20, it would bring my trend line in closer? Is that what you're telling me? All I know is it just moved to Solana. Oh, Baby Doge moved to Solana and suddenly it shot up. Well, surprisingly, it looks like it wants to test overhead resistance again. You're holding support extremely well at 4563. You're holding support really well and breaking your downtrend. That's solid. So Baby Doge has the possibility of moving up 30%. Solana is good with all their popular memes. They really are. RSI and CCI are the indicator more old made in the history. Really? I'm actually learning a bit right here, Oso. Appreciate the knowledge. I do appreciate the knowledge. So you're telling me if I update it, I'll be more accurate? Is that what I'm understanding here? Because if that's the case, I'm all for it. And or who do better work for doing trading as you prefer chart 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, etc., etc. Is it really? Okay. Entry BTC stop loss 115K before Trump's inauguration in January and Biden's exit 90K target. First responder. You think we're going to dump that hard, huh? It's wild. But working better, change the value to 21? Really? I will definitely try playing with this over the weekend. I will write this down. Alrighty. I will play with this weekend. That's interesting, Oso. We'll see. Anything under 500 million market cap, like playing with fire. Even though there's meme over 1.1 billion that got lucky. Yeah, that's true. You always get lucky. It's sometimes worth the gamble though if they have a strong enough community. You got a good indicator for you. WT by Crypt. What is WT? What is that? I'm gonna be looking into these like either later tonight or tomorrow morning. You guys better watch out. I'm gonna have some feedback on this literally in tomorrow's stream. I'm gonna have some feedback. I'm like, the fuck was that? Or it's gonna be like, hey, that's kind of cool. All right, Marshall Law said Link is going. Are you lying to me, Marshall? I'm up 2% on a 35x long. How dare you? How dare you? Oh, so thank you so much for the follow over there on Twitch. Thank you so much. All right, Baby Doge. Yeah, I mean, maybe a 29% rise, considering you did have the breakout and the backtest of your current support. This is a good sign. We could see this thing move up. I'm literally going on like raw dogging it out here based off what the price action looks like. So this is good luck to anybody who's taking this trade. Good luck to you. Current level you want to stay above is right there, sitting at 464. Good luck to you. Anyways, moving on from Baby Doge, X Swap is next. X Swap. Never heard of this crypto. Let's see what it is. I'm guessing it's a swap. OM in fuck it. Cheers. Wait, what? Trend, wave, and more. Interesting. There's so many indicators out there, I can never keep up with them all. So I like to keep them extremely simple. Is it hard to read, or is it really easy to read? Do I need to get a book on it? I'll read the book. If it works, I'll read it. Because the more accurate I can be, the better it is for stream. I'm in the trade, Baby Doge. You're in it? Oh, Jin, good luck. Good luck. I do hope the best for you on that one. Alright, here's our levels on XSwap. Let's go ahead and check out our daily. Daily looks gross. We got bearish divergence. Ew. Wow, this one just came out of the oven. XSwap? It really did. We're in like a giant cup. So try this one, you'll like it. Trend wave? Is that what it's called? Trend wave? Alrighty, I'm gonna try it out. Don't you worry. Well, XSwap just got a golden cross, surprisingly. Like 3 days ago. Bowl! Yeah, big old bowl. Big old bowl. But just got a golden cross. You had this huge blow off top here. Let's see what happens. You also have the bearish divergence. That's kind of a shame. Checking your 4 hour. 4 hour, it's trying to rally? Are we serious? The fuck? Okay. Elliott Wave says, looks okay. That's funny. The Elliott Wave says this thing looks okay. That's pretty funny. I would have preferred a backtest of support. That would have been nice, but no backtest here. 1 hour. Ugh. I don't like the movements this is taking. I really don't like it. I can't figure out a trend here. I can't figure out what structure it's kind of making. Nothing. It just looks like it's getting ready to bearishly backtest this 144.88 and then roll over. I don't like this one. You got this shit. It's resetting above all your moving averages. That's weird. That is weird. So personally on XSwap, what I would be doing, I'd be waiting to test some support. The fact that you never did, that's a problem. Volume from its age needs a party. Now, whoever bought up here deserves a party. Ultimate exit liquidity. What a great person. Yeah, I would prefer to see this thing drop 14%. Find support at 10844. That would make me extremely happy. And then, see some upside after. If we do have a downtrend that's forming, I'm looking at it just like this. So it would be nice to see it consolidate a bit before another rally. That's what I would like to see. It has a trend, buy and sell, and oversold and overbuy all in one. All of them? That's crazy. How much does it cost? Usually when there's something with that many indicators, it comes with a fee. So yeah, XSwap, we're going to move on from it because it looks very weird to me. I don't like it. I would not trade it. I would not even try to trade it unless it was sitting on top of support. And now that you're putting in a downtrend, sitting on top of support after a breakout would be the most liked thing. Well, aren't you interesting? Aren't you interesting? You got a little bearish convergence. Just consolidating down. Trying to flag it out, I guess. Maybe. Kind of, sort of. We squint our eyes and turn our head sideways. Just maybe. Ooh, you got a lot of consolidation ahead. Holy moly. Free trading view? Is it really? That's wild. I guess we're maintaining support with a low stochastic on the 4-hour. Maybe we hold it. Maybe. Relative strength still trending down. Let's check the 1-hour. 1-hour, we got our death cross here while trading sideways. Has been breaking all-time high every other week. Yeah, it's just been going crazy. It feels like a pullback is about to come. Wait. Hold on, it broke all-time high? It didn't break all-time high. All-time high for XYO is at 8146. WSG Mastermind Porky. Yo, what's up, Mr. Krabs? How you doing? How you doing? Let's go down to the 1-hour again. Let's see what this thing might do overnight. I'm feeling like it's going to fall. You don't normally hit support this much without falling through it eventually. You are magically resetting all of your indicators while doing this, getting that death cross. That 50 symbol wants to force you down. Oh. And you have another downtrend here? Oh, that you're being held down on. Oh, you can actually plan this one out. That's great. Alright, so I'd be looking for a bearish move right here. Little bear skadoodle. Did we get the fit? We got our 50% retrace. Nice. So I would be leaning extremely bearish on this one. I'd be looking for a 9.8% downside. Needs support. It does need some support. So 9.8 to possible 13% downside. That's what I would be looking for out of this, simply because you got your 50% retrace based off this drop here. That's what I'd be looking for. We'll see if it pans out. We'll see if we break out and hold support instead, because if that happens, then, well, I mean, we're more than likely going to go test the demand line. And then it's like, hey, are we going to break out? Are we not? What's going on? So we're going to have to wait and see on this one, but I'm leaning bearish. I'm thinking we're going to go down and test 22,734. That's my feeling on XYO. XYO has been doing absolutely amazing. Let's check the weekly real fast. Oh, God, you're overbought on the weekly. Yeah, I'm thinking downside. I'm thinking that you're pretty overbought on the weekly. Pretty high up there. So, not surprising if you're putting in a red week. Maybe a second red week is coming. It's all coming down to good night to short. More money. A lot of things are good to short, but there might be some things good to long. I was wrong about Link. Oof. Looks like Link's going to stop us out. Too bad. Let's check out Flare. Put a CCI indicator low of RSI, and you will see for yourself how well they work together. I don't even know how to add that in there. What? FLR. Why is all the flare on BitTrue? Check it out on OKX instead. You yourself will realize. No, what I'm saying is I don't understand how to put in the CCI indicator in my RSI. Like, what do you mean? I'm gonna have to like YouTube this. This is wild. Alright, I have it written down. I will figure it out sometime in the future. I don't even know how to do that. Why don't I have Flare charted out? Why don't I have you charted? Whoops. Patience, Watson. We can wait. That's true. We definitely can wait. Did we just break out of this? Wait, hold on. Is Flare ready? Flare's doing it. Oh, shit. Flare wants to make a run to 4582? Excuse me? Don't like longing, dick too little, I stick with the short. Mo money. Shorting is usually a lot easier, but shorting in a bull market, kind of tough. How long have I been interested in stocks? Me personally? Or are you talking to somebody else, Mr. Krabs? That's pretty funny. Yeah, no, Flare is getting ready to do something. Your 4 hour, I don't like that stochastic. I really don't. Relative strength pointing straight up. This is actually pretty interesting to me. I would expect some consolidation, of course. 1 hour's overbought already. Ooh, yikes. Last time you were overbought at this around this level, price was down here. Talking to Big Porky. I've been interested in stocks literally around the same time I got interested into crypto. So I would say around 5-6 years ago. Leverages in crypto, especially in bull market, get dumped. Yeah, it's true. It's very true. Link bounced back. Did it really? Surprising. You know why it's overbought? It's about to burst. It could be. But either way, considering Flare just popped up above resistance, I would be expecting the backtest at 3076. If you can hold support, this is the most important thing. Holding support. As long as you hold that support, then you could very well see this rally continue. You had your breakout. You had your backtest once, twice. Now you're getting the move up. This is very nice. W didn't know if it was something you grew up around or something. No, not at all. Didn't grow up around it. Actually, the first time I mentioned to my parents that I wanted to start getting into stocks and crypto and stuff, first word was, or the first thing they both said is like, "Oh, isn't that like gambling?" And I was like, I don't think it is. Any longs you gonna take? I took a long on Link, and I think I'm gonna regret it. Let's see. Oh, it did bounce. Never mind. Not regretting it. We caught a bounce. I was just down 21%. Now we're up 5%, 8%, 7%. RSI in up. Don't more continues. Are you talking about for the 4-hour? It depends on the time frame. So right now, on Flare, we had a high stochastic on your 1 hour that would indicate we would consolidate down, back test. We would do something like that. Oh damn, that's rough. It's not really rough. My parents are really nice. They like they asked if it was more like gambling. I said no. On the 15 and the 1 hour and the 15 too. Yeah, your 15 is very high. So you're expecting this thing to come down, test some support. Makes all the sense in the world to test support before running again. But it's fine. You have these late streams. I love this stuff. I always will be going late. I always will. The only thing that'll change is when the kids get older and or my wife's gonna be home nonstop when she finally gets out of the hospital, so I might be able to stream during the day also. Might be able to stream during the day as well. Put Flare in your wallets, doctor. Oh boy. Oh boy. But no, with my parents asked me if it was gambling. I was like, no, I don't think it is, because even if it starts going down, I could save myself by selling early. So I don't think it's like gambling, because gambling is win or lose. And then it was funny because talking about stocks, I was like, don't you both have a 401k? And they were like, yeah. I was like, isn't that in the stock market? It's like dog racing? Not even close. Oh my god. Dog racing? Sheesh. I feel like horse racing is a little bit easier to tell because you can look at a horse very simply and be like, that one can win. Yeah, that one looks strong. And that jockey looks really small. Yeah, this could be a good one. And then the horse's name is probably like your mother's gay or some nonsense. Horse names are the best. So yeah, anyways, we did have this resistance that was holding as resistance. We popped up above it. Would make total sense. Just get a back test. If we hold this back test, your 4 hour wants to push us up. So we would be looking for a 48% move to the upside. Let's make sure our daily has the room for our daily has plenty of room for it. Daily has plenty of room for the run. So let's see what happens. Oh, no bearish div. Beautiful. This thing could run. I would say wait for the back test. Make sure it holds support. Wait for that back test. Peng still going. Freestyle. It's a meme coin. It should go all night. If the price wants to continue up, would get 50% RSI first. We basically did. We got very close. It came all the way down to 55.94. So Oso on the daily, it wants to. It really wants to. We'll see though. Could just make a lower high, consolidate down, and make us wait 2 weeks before it actually does run. All the possibilities are there. Your 4 hours is probably the main thing that's going to hold us back. 4 hours the main thing that's going to hold us back. Just because of the stupid stochastic. Peng Army. Roger's getting all excited now. Like, oh my god, Peng was a good idea. If it doesn't run in December, get rid of it. Just get rid of it. Anyways, that's what I'm seeing out of Flare. We're going to move on. We're going to go to C token. You know, it's funny. We're doing a lot more back and forth, and I'm almost done with all the requests. This is beautiful. Well, C looks fan-fucking-tastic. But that is one day for trader fast in 1 or 15 of analysis is that. So I like to see where the price is going to go longer term. I use the lower time frames to figure out where to get my entries, stop losses. But also, there are a lot of swing traders in here. So I don't know if they're using high leverage, low leverage, what they're doing. Martial law, equali, yeah, we're almost there. It's actually the next one. HZN, we will check that out after MicroStrategy. So yeah, also what I like to see is what is the trend doing overall. So I always check the daily and the weekly first. Most of the weeklies I already know what's happening, but the dailies, they're really going to show you, is the trend going to continue? I understand the higher leverage stuff, but I like checking the daily along with the 4 hour just because they will conflict often. So it's like your daily could be like, oh wow, like right now we're sitting at the 50 after a pullback. This thing is showing, let's frickin' go. Exactly. Say what I'm saying. I'm saying it. Well, you are getting a true prospectus on each coin by the subscribers' suggestions. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Can I check out API 3 if you haven't already? Sure. Actually, you guys requesting tokens really does make me understand what most people are looking at. It does help a lot. Because, you know, I'm sitting here just like looking at all the coins I can leverage trade, but when you guys come up and you're just like, hey, can you go look at like Ponky, for instance? I'm like, people are trading that? That's so weird. Okay, sure. So yeah, looking at C on the daily. C looks fantastic on the daily. You back tested your 50 simple. You're holding support right now. Low stochastic, neutral territory, and your MACD is showing less negative momentum. C looks great on the daily. Looks absolutely great. 4 hour, looking strong as hell. Holy shit. 4 hour, you reset your stochastic already. You're sitting in neutral territory on your relative strength, and it looks like it's trying to push up. Wow, this is beautiful. Checking your 1 hour. Your 1 hour, looking a little sketchy, not gonna lie. But we did have a downtrend that we broke out of, so automatically I'm thinking bullish thoughts. As long as we can maintain above support, we are good. We do have a supply line to work with now. We're setting higher lows, so that reaccumulation is happening. Nice. Nice. 15's ready to go. Holy shit. Yeah, your 15's ready to go also. This is sweet. I've only given you the analysis according to RSI. Okay. I'm confused. Applying anything in theory can be tokenized. I mean, yeah, literally anything can be tokenized. That's true. That's very true. Close. Close. Do I realize how incredible this indicator is? Also, I'm going to try it. Jeez, bro. I'm just gonna look it up later. C token on a scalp trade, I'm looking for 13.37% upside. Going up and hitting your demand. Can we explain when something's tokenized? You can buy portions of it. That's really the big thing. So like when you find stocks that are really high evaluation, essentially more people will be able to buy in. Alright, this thing's moving now. So if you're jumping in the scalp, enjoy. It's moving now. We're going up. I'm guessing Bitcoin just moved up. That is my thought. Bitcoin just did something. See, similar to Sui, both are good shape. That's true. Well, yeah, let's say somebody wanted to tokenize like a house. So let's say they want to tokenize a house in my neighborhood. That's like $1.2 million. But you're like, you know what? I want to have some equity in this house, but I can't afford 1.2 million, nor can I afford the mortgage. So then when you tokenize it, it'll be like, all right, cool. Let me just put in $1,000. And then let's say the house ends up going up in value 20%. You'll make 20% based off your portion of the house. So then your $1,000 will turn into 1,200. That's 20%, right? Yeah, 1,200. So then you're like, okay, cool. I made some money off this house that I don't own because it was tokenized, which is great. And it's like, okay, cool. I'm just wondering how it's gonna work. Like, who's gonna own the overall house? Who's gonna live there? Like, if they start tokenizing things like houses, who's gonna live there? That's what confuses me. Anyways, yeah, for C token, this is what I'm seeing, anywhere between that 13.37 and a 14.55% upside. XRP testing 250 again. Is it really? It's pumping up right now? Nice. Love to hear that. Check out Ecolai. What? I cannot find Ecolai. Martial law? Where is this thing? What is this thing? Literally can't find it anywhere. Martial law, are you still here? We're going to move on to Gary. Thanks for explaining. No problem. You want XLM now? Okay. Oh, wow. Yeah, martial law. I couldn't find it. Could not find it. I'm sorry. That's a trip. Is it really? Last time we looked at Gary, was it down here? Is that why this thing's so high? Oh, we're losing it. No. We're going to get stopped out of our link trade. Oh, no. We took a bounce. Now we're dying. What a shame. Anyways. I guess Gary, we looked at it a long time ago, didn't we? Somewhere around here. Well, it's made a very good move. I mean, it had a 119% day. That is crazy. Anyways, on your daily, you have reset your indicators. You are looking to get a golden cross sometime in the near future. Looking pretty darn solid there. 4-hour time frame. 4 hour. You're trading sideways and resetting your stochastic. I'm going to claim that as bullish. I think you're about to get your next leg higher sometime soon. Huh. 1 hour time frame, reset. Jeez. 1 hour's resetting. You did have a bit of bearish div, but you can cancel it out if it starts rallying soon. Looking pretty good. Pretty darn good. You're above your 50 simple. You're starting to push moving averages bullishly. Love to see that. Your 15 wants to do it too. All right, so now, I mean, go up and test 198, and then if you can break it, you're more than likely going to go test 3051. Consistency, yep, it's very consistent. It's looking solid. You're just setting higher lows. You even back tested a former low as support. So there you go. I like what Gary's doing. Good job, Gary. So on this move, you still have another 119% possible upside. Very cool. I like to see that. XLM next. Yeah, as soon as I turn off this stream, guys, I'm going to be playing around with 1, 2, 3, 4 indicators that you guys have brought up this stream. I will be checking them all out. Hopefully I don't get tired instantly and have to wait till morning. XLM pushing up. 15-minute looks absolutely fantastic for upside. Your target here. Don't like the stochastic indicator. I'm confused. Oh, you don't like the stochastic RSI? I like it just for seeing when momentum's coming, especially on lower time frames. I don't really like it on like the daily. I don't like it. The 4-hour can be a little misleading. The weekly is a joke. Like, it shouldn't even be a thing. But yeah. It's overdue. No, it is overdue. This thing actually looks like you're going to go up and test 51.63 again. So let's get the bearish trade setup out of here because you're trending up. So stochastic really is for work in ticks. Digibyte for Tito, got you. Don't in minutes. I've used it on the 5-minute. I've never used it on the 1-minute. DGB. What time is it where you're at? It is 12:08 a.m. It is officially the 14th. Would be the lowest level of surprise if XLM came up 29% or slightly lower, depending on how long it takes to get here, to hit the demand line. Would be the least amount of a surprise. Checking out our 1-hour time frame. Word. Yep. I would go here. Well, now this kind of looks like a rising wedge. That's terrible. There had been times XLM was not affected by big drops in Bitcoin. Well, yeah, same with XRP, because they were both acting as like stable coins. It was absolutely nuts. So yeah, this rising wedge pattern is the only worry that I have. Maybe you come up and then you fall out. Only worry I have is this rising wedge. But at least you should test the top of it. At least you should test the top. And then if you break out, you could see price accelerate extremely fast. But at least a 7.4% upside is what I would be looking for XLM, and then seeing what happens. For the range-bound trader out there, these are always fun. Always fun to find a range to trade in just because you're like, oh, it's going to the top, going to the bottom, going to the top, going to the bottom. So yeah, it's always fun. I like it more when it's like a rectangle though. Think it'll hit 50 cents by Tuesday? I'm guessing if we keep having a bullish market, it should break out of this downtrend that it's been in. You should see 71.11. All right, man, I'm out. Good night, Mr. Krabs. I appreciate you coming in. Have a good night's rest. This is what I'm seeing out of XLM. It does look like it's going to go up. I would just be cautiously optimistic. Rising wedge patterns after a drop that could be deemed as a bear flag could look better. Now let's check out MicroStrategy. Let's check it out. Oh my god, that consolidation. Are we serious? Look at the consolidation. MicroStrategy is on a new level. Holy smokes. Well, I guess next level for MicroStrategy to get to is at 652. Damn. That is insane. New. No, MicroStrategy is not new. MicroStrategy is the stock. That's Michael Saylor's stock. I do quick BTC look. Sure. Big swing trading for Master. Yeah. I don't even know why you'd try to swing it. Just fucking hold it. Just watch it go. Jen, you want a real quick look at BTC? Sure, we can actually do that real quick. Why not? Weekly, showing bearish divergence on the weekly. That's not the greatest thing to see. Bearish divergence on the weekly. That's yikes. Yikes. Positive. Your MACD is showing a lot more buying pressure. You could cancel out as long as you start making higher highs and this relative strength goes up above this previous high. Cancels out the bearish divergence, but somebody started offloading. I was looking at initial SDR, thinking something else. What were you thinking, like Mastar Media or some nonsense? Well, no, it's MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy. Let's dive into BTC real quick just to get a nice little look, see what's going on. Bitcoin's still up 0.3%. Saylor did 15-minute. Looks like Bitcoin still just trading sideways. Very sideways, but you are maintaining. It could have a little bit of a drop. I'm guessing your fives. Yeah, your five's trying to dump on you. You own Micro? Let's go, Yelton. Let's frickin' go. I mean, technically, Bitcoin's broken out. Just going for a back test. Hopefully it doesn't stop out my link trade in the process. Hopefully not. Saylor dibs out from his company to buy more BTC. Yeah, every single time it goes up, he's just like, awesome, great, I have more money to buy Bitcoin. Thanks, everyone. It's crazy. And then I think there's some company in Japan that started doing the exact same thing. So I'm like, oh, okay, so they're all doing it now. Link 124. I forgot what Link was at. Am I still negative? We're negative 30%. What a shame. What a shame. Link was looking like a slam dunk, too. Oh well. Let's go ahead and check out HZN. Horizon Protocol. Well, that's not pleasant. You're hitting absolute all-time lows, trying to bounce back. Ooh. A bearish back test of your previous lows? Good night. Thanks for all your charts. See you tomorrow. Freestyle, no problem. Thank you so much for coming in. I appreciate you. Micro was over 1,300 or higher. Wait, what? Oh, did they do like share split? Is that what they did? So then more people can just start buying? Tito, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. That's a lot of levels down there. This is rough. This is rough down here. Well, you put in some bullish divergence on the weekly. That's nice. Want to check out VThor? Sure. Vitor, support levels. We'll check out what the support levels are. It fell? What fell? Are you talking about Bitcoin fell? Is that what you're talking about? We got the bullish div. Now we just need the higher low. Okay, alright, I don't hate this completely. I don't hate it completely, and we have so many levels to stop us on the way up. Oh my goodness. This is rough. Alright, so, needless to say, I'm expecting a higher low because of the bullish div. Automatically, a retrace 16%. Maybe you set the same high as before, 29%, testing your 200 daily moving average. That's most likely what I could see happening in the shorter term. Looking at your 4 hour, ew. It's gross. Anyways, looking at your 4 hour, you do have a downtrend to break out of. Stock split, drop, then back up. Oh, okay, I got you. You do have a downtrend to break out of. It's not even a wedge. I don't know why we're finding less and less wedges these days than ever. Can we recap Link, please? Yeah, we can look at Link again. Link is going up. Are we back to positive? No, we're still down 19%. Still down. Alright, so we are downtrending on the 4 hour. 4 hour does want to go up. Let's check your 1 hour. 1 hour trying to reset right now. Sitting on a little bit of bullish div. Nice, nice. A little bit of bullish divergence. Great. So I do think this has the possibility of going up. You need to maintain above this 1367 level in order for this party to get started. So HZN Horizon might actually be a good pickup. It just might. I'm kind of surprised because it is coming out of all-time lows. Did we get it? We even got bullish divergence on the 15. This is crazy. Absolutely crazy. So bullish divergence on the 15 as well. So yeah, I could see Horizon Protocol making this 29% move to the upside. That's what I can see. You need to get your breakout. You need to have a back test. It needs to do some stuff and some things. But as long as you maintain above, and this is extremely important, maintain above this level here. 1368, just stay above it throughout all this BS. And then enjoy your gains. If you drop below it, well, you could drop pretty low because it's awfully low. But yeah. Horizon Protocol, looking solid. All-time lows, what, you're sitting at like 1157? You don't want that. You don't want any part of that. That's terrible. So that's what I see out of HZN. Looking pretty solid. I do like that. I like it a lot. Ah, Link, playing with our heart. Falling again. Falling again. Just a real quick look at Link. See how it's tugging at our heartstrings real quick. It's probably just going to be like, yeah, let's just go down here and touch this 50 simple. Because our 1 hour stochastic's high. Why the hell not? Night. Yelton, good night. Sleep well. Just get out here and make some money. Just go make some money, brother. We are still trying to maintain support. That's all that matters right now. Price is coming down, heading to my stop loss. What great time to be gambling on this trade. I probably should have a stop loss a bit lower, sitting around 29.06, but I kept it higher. I want these higher lows to keep playing out. And if they don't, I don't want any part of this. Still looking for that 6.35% upside. Gamble big, win bigger. Link will hit 33, 35 average by Thursday. You guys are thinking Thursday. Why? That's such a far way out. 33, I mean, Link, do it tonight. Do it tonight. Thursday? That's a long time. All right, going into API 3. right, API 3 has some work to do on the weekly to keep us all feeling excited about it. If you can get a weekly candle close above 232.3, that's going to be super bullish. Quick Ponky recap in a trade. Thank you, thank you. We will check it out real quick. Yelton, crystal ball. I love the crystal ball reference. I say it all the time. I don't know where the market's going. I don't have a crystal ball. The fuck? Alright, so relative strength. You're sitting in neutral territory. We could see this thing rally up. Show a little bit of bullishness. Come on now. Looking at your daily. Daily looks rough, man. Bearish backtest twice at 232. Yikes. Yikes. Don't like to see that. Especially after this huge bearish candle. I would say engulf, but to engulf, it would have had to come all the way down here, which it almost did. Oh my god. That's wild. Anyways, on your daily, you do have room to go up. Let's check your 4 hour. 4 hours going to want to break out soon. Oh shit. Okay, 4 hour. We do have this downtrend here that is still acting as resistance. I mean, we tried breaking out once, tried twice, 3 times, 4, and kept falling. But now, your stochastics reset. You're sitting in neutral territory. This thing could break out in the near future. Checking out your 1 hour. 1 hour's reset too. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. And on your 1 hour, I think you did break out. You did. You really did. So yeah, maintain your prices above 219. We might actually see API 3 start rallying up. Bring this all the way down here. What a rally it would be too, because you'd be looking at this target right here at 276.7. That would be your target if you can get the breakout. If you get the breakout, enjoy the gains. 23% upside, very possible for API 3. I like it. I like it. So yeah, hopefully that helps you out. Quick recap on Ponky, why not? Ponky, you are trying your damnedest to lose support. That's too bad, brother. Oh, man. You lose support. It's going to be a damn shame. Going to watch this thing just cry all the way down to 40664. In reality, all you really got to do is just maintain support above 45855, and you should be okay. Maintain that support. But right now, current uptrend that I was all excited about on the 15-minute, looks like you're losing it. You're losing it. So be careful on this trade. If it were me and I was in on this trade and about to go to sleep, I would put that stop loss right at 46471 and then go to bed and just wake up and see if I got stopped out. That's what I would do, but you can do you. Either way, first target is going to be looking at 52096 if you can get a breakout. The fact that you're losing supply line, yikes, could see a big drop. Hopefully that doesn't happen. So that is your recap. DGB, Digibyte, beautiful breakout. Was looking for this over here. We're doing it now. Beautiful breakout. 15's getting a little high in relative strength. No problem, Jin. No problem. A little high in the relative strength. You're about to get a golden cross, though. You're above your 200 simple. That is nice. Check the 1 hour. 1 hour. Above your 50 simple. You have room to run. Sweet. Checking the 4 hour. Tons of room to run. But you got your 50 simple sitting right there that's going to try and mess up the trade. That's a shame. You got your reaccumulation, rounded bottom. If it were me, I would be expecting it to backtest this 1781 level, or at least get up to 1758 just to make a nice little cup here before trying to handle out. I'm not sure why the market makers are enjoying these cup and handles so much, but they're enjoying them for some reason, just making them all over the place. If you're currently in a trade on this, stop loss you'd consider as 1439. 1439, that's really what you're aiming at. And if you're looking for the trend to continue, you would expect the breakout and backtest, where then you could think about going up to your next level of resistance. Your 4 hour says you can go up, and it says you can go up a lot. Hopefully, your daily says the same. Your daily saying the exact same thing, singing to the same tune. So I guess we're going to see what Digibyte does. We shall see. The fact that you broke to the upside, fell down, held support at these previous highs, and now you're rallying off of it, this looks pretty good. Link is running. Are you lying to me, Martial Law? Are you lying? Hey, we're up 17%. Let's go, Link. Woo! Tried to stop me out, but it didn't. Link is doing it. So DGB, I am leaning toward the bullish side. I would be expecting if you can break out. Noted, if you can't, 17% upside, still worthy of calling it a rally. But if you can break out, holy fuck. 146% upside. Could be nuts. How high market cap do you think Brett-based will get this cycle? And if it gets a Coinbase listing? House Forum Apologetics. I don't have a crystal ball. I am not sure. I am really not sure. I don't know. Could go very high. I don't know. I wish I knew more about it. I just know I could leverage trade it. Oh, hey, look at it. It's pumping now. Wait, is Bitcoin going up? Is Bitcoin doing some shit? No. Bitcoin's not doing a damn thing. Digibyte's just being crazy. Wow. It got its morning steroids. That's so nice. Oh, I actually wonder how IDEX is doing. I traded that earlier today. IDEX, it's doing alright. But yeah, House Forum Apologies, it's a meme coin, so honestly, it's really hard for a lot of meme coins to not only get to $1 billion market cap, but stay above it. So I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. All depends on how strong the community is. If I'm being honest, it all depends on that. But yeah, Brett, I believe, is a complete meme coin. I don't know if they're trying to make some use case or not, but yeah, I say trying because who knows? I can't believe Link is actually on the list right now, so we're gonna look at Link again. I guess. I don't know why it's the last thing on the list. Hey, we're moving. Let's go, Link. Woo! Party on. The live trade. We're up 25% on this 35x long. Trying to get a solid 6% move. Can you believe it? Let's see if it continues. That 15-minute candle just ended and we're not at the top of our stochastic. Oh boy. We're not. We're doing it. Oh, we're retracing. No. Alright, that was all the requests, everybody. This felt like a much more smooth night when it came to requests. I know you guys are going to punish me tomorrow, but hey, we're here. You took a position when you did. Oh, you took a position with me? That's nice. Martial Law, thanks for believing in my trade. I appreciate that. Just move this to the side over here. Move that right on over so we can sit. Whew. Well, yeah, I definitely feel like you guys are going to punish me tomorrow. Because I think it was last Saturday that we hit 100 requests. That was insane. That was absolutely nuts. I'm hoping that doesn't happen again because we were live for 6 hours and I got to freaking take care of my daughter. So I really hope that doesn't happen again. But we will see. We shall see. I took them all. I'm a degen, Jin. You are wild. Taking all the trades? That is wild. Absolutely wild. 5 lashes. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh my god. Hold on. Nope. I still owe you guys one more. Holy shit. Vthor. Vthor. I didn't give the levels. I'm sorry. Holy crap. I totally forgot. Alright. Aren't so good. Let's go into the weekly here. Holy shit. Totally forgot to give the levels. So, level that you just backtested as support was the 3007 level. Your next level above it, if you can get back above that 200 simple moving average on the weekly, you're looking at 5318. If you break that, that is when we go into the real fun times with Vthor, where we could see this thing rally all the way up to 15113. Noted you'll find a bit of resistance around the 11013 level. These are the levels that you're really focused in. Oh, you might find some resistance here too. Holy shit. You might find some resistance at that 6724 level as well. These are the levels for Vthor. I forgot who asked for Vthor. I'm sorry that I didn't get to it quicker. That's my bad. That's really my bad. I'm sorry. Can I check out Beam? Yes, I can. Beam. Well, we're about to hit a target. Or did we? I don't know. Oh my god, we did. Wait, what? Oh my god, that's such a bad weekly candle. That's such a bad weekly a Doge weekly candle? Are we serious? Thanks. Alright, anyways, we hit overhead resistance at 40305. We have a high stochastic. It's not overbought yet. That's a good thing. Check it out your daily. Your daily, you're resetting, but you definitely hit that overhead resistance. Let's get rid of this. Oh, that wick down probably ruined a lot of longs. Oh, they're probably pissed. Anyways, we are holding above our 618, and we are trying to reset our stochastic on the daily. Checking out the 4-hour. 4-hour stochastic's reset. You're above the 50 simple. Relative strength sitting in neutral territory. Hey now. Hey now. Beam's getting ready to rally. Oh shit. Your 1 hour looks solid. What's your 15? 15 does not look terrible. Does not look terrible. This is interesting because it tried to round the top and then it was just like, nah, we'll round the bottom. I could see Beam rallying. I could see Beam rallying really good too. You got a 12% move. 12% move if you rally is pretty much guaranteed. 19 to 43% if you happen to break out. Beam's looking solid. Looking really solid. If you were trying to scalp trade this though, scalp trade would look a little different. You'd be taking way less of a move. You did not. You did get below your 618, so that's fine. Yeah, you would need a stop loss sitting down here around 34896. You should be safe there because of these wick lows. You'd be looking for this 6.96% move to the upside. Very nice. So if you were trading this, just maybe, you could use a 30x leverage. That's absolutely wild. Could use 30x. And it's already starting to make its move, so hopefully you got in there. Tito, looking solid for Beam. Looking like it wants to go up. Hopefully that helped you out. Hopefully you enjoyed it. That's wild. Hey, Link's still going up. Let's go, Link. Woo! Party right. Alright. Well, everyone, that is all the requests for today. It is late. I'm going to try and get some sleep because my daughter will wake me up early. Oh, Link, you took a little dip. Damn. Anyways, I'm going to head on out. I'm going to try to go to sleep and... Actually, I'm going to look at these indicators, then try to go to sleep. But, yeah, anyways, I will catch you guys in the next one. I appreciate each and every one of you for coming out. Thank you all for the likes. Thank you for the subs that popped in. Thank you for the follows on Twitch. You guys are absolutely amazing. But the real game changers out there, Martial Law, Freestyle, and Roger, thank you so much for the super chats. Freestyle being the #1 tipper of the evening with his $19.99 super chat. I do appreciate you all. I'm going to hop on out of here. Take it easy. Keep those stop losses tight. I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces, y'all. Deuces. Good luck in those trades. All of you. Good luck in those trades.